I cannot believe somebody was looking out. I actually found a metal brush chrome handle pull. It's a 3 3/4 wide, and it came with the screws. I think it's 1 1/4 and then 1-inch screw. And these are not the little flat, so much tapered, but these are not heavily. Now I could have said domed. I don't know why I said concaved, because that was wrong anyways. It's actually convex. But you guys, I told y'all I'm older. Concaved in that it will impede my phone. So if you see, there's a little bit of space there anyways, and I think that'll be perfect. So I took the measurement from end to end here, found the middle, put a mark in the center, and then I put a mark in the center of the bar. All I have to do is line that center mark for the bar up with the center there and make a template of sorts for the holes and then attach it. If you guys watched the video on how I actually made my bottom plate to my heat press a pullout, then you'll see I start with a very small drill bit and work my way up to the size that I need for the screw that I'm going to use for that hole. And then I'm going to put these screws in, and then I'm going to utilize this as leverage to go ahead and hacksaw what I don't need. So these type of pulls are on cabinets that where you have to, the screws are long to allow for the wood it has to go through in order to reach the actual pull. Now I have screwed this all the way into the handle. Now I know how much I need to saw off, or I'm going to get my trusty rusty Stanley mini hacksaw. I can get my hacksaw, and I'm going to screw right there off. Okay. Now let me go get my hacksaw. I wanted to show you in real time how long it takes to actually do this. I know you felt like, oh, I didn't really get a chance to see. And I'm going to go this way because I think the gravity will help it be that way. So what was that, like 20 seconds, if that? So I just wanted to show you guys, this thing really works. I use a lot to change this, but I think if I can get one more use out of it, it'd be great. So what I do is I kind of, even though for this, you know what, I really don't need to do this because it's not going to be exposed. If I were to have this exposed like I did these, I would go ahead and saw it down, but there's no need because I'm just going to screw this inside of the actual handle. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that worked. So I took the screw, I screwed it in as far as I could into the handle, and then whatever was left off up to the handle, up to this edge part, I put a mark with a marker. That left me my guide to how much I needed to cut off. And as you see, this is pretty snug. I just need to do the other side now. But yeah, that's just how snug I want it. And again, when I put my phone back onto this, my phone pad, it comes out a little bit, but not so much that it will impede the foam. It probably will just slip right over it actually. I'm gonna make sure my handle is at least level. And I'm sorry, my camera is kind of cockeyed, so it looks crooked. It is not, I assure you. So my bubble is right in the middle. Right in the middle. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw my other hole in there because where I did my marker is actually spot on. Hardly ever happens again, but it did this time and I'm grateful for it. Okay, so somehow, the shorter screw of the two pair that I got in the package with the handle, the little shorter one somehow grew legs and walked away. So I essentially am just going to repeat what I did with the first screw to estimate how much I need. Well, actually mark off. I'm just going to do the same thing as I did with this one and continue on. Y'all just watch me. Just watch me find that screw right after I'm gonna hacksaw this one. So I have my mark. If you can see that little mark right there, I have my mark. So I still see my mark. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hacksaw. You see me do that before, so I'm gonna come back after I've done it. Okay, y'all, let me tell you what I did. I didn't even follow my mark that I made to cut off, and I cut like 1/8 of an inch in front of the actual mark. Yeah, hey, it is what it is. Transparency, full transparency. Follow your mark. I didn't even follow my own measurement. Lord have mercy. So now this should go in just fine. Kick myself. Alright. Is now going in just fine now that I actually followed the freaking measurement. Tighten the other side back. Tighten this side all the way. Alright, guys. And it was close, you guys. I took a gander. Let me show you. I took a guess with the width, and I just made it with this handle. Need to take this tape off because it had my mark where to go. But let's just see how well it will work. Let's move my stand out of the way. Okay, I'm using the handle to pull it back, let it go back, and it's working just fine. So handle is nice and snug. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, and I wanted to show you all that you see just that ever so slight. So here is the regular indentation or space, like an 1/8 inch space already. And that's about the space of the actual hex head, the screw heads here. So I don't have any impeding of my process. Pull it back up. These things, like, you need muscles. And for these pressers, or the heat press handles to be pressed down. Anyways, and then I can swing my arm out to the side. I can do it with it closed too. Let me show you. I don't think I've shown you guys. So I can pull my handle out, comes all the way out. And pull it in, and I'm gonna pull my swing arm to the side so you can actually see the soft close feature still works. My hand's not on it. I guess I should show it to you guys this way. Soft close feature still works. Okay, done. Hercules, Hercules.